Hey everybody, Ryan here from Tweak My Device. I want to show you how to create a Nandroid backup on the Droid Bionic. This basically applies to all Android devices. There are different methods for getting into the recovery for each type of device. It is device specific. So this in particular is just for the Droid Bionic, and I'm going to put some software links at the bottom of this video for you. What is a Nandroid backup? It's similar to a system restore point in Windows. It's going to back up your entire Android system, your settings, preferences, your accounts, all the configurations, everything that you've done. So let's say you're putting a new tweak on your device and it goes bad. Well, you can just revert to that system restore point, this Nandroid backup, and you'll be good to go. Be like a fresh start. The first thing we want to do, we want to go in here, bring up our settings menu, and in applications, make sure unknown sources is checked, and also in development, make sure USB debugging is checked. Just plug it into your computer. Alright, you're going to get that USB connected message. So you want to do mass storage. So on the Bionic and some other Android devices, you'll get two drives that open up when you plug it in to access the storage. So the one you actually want to use is this H drive. This Moto G is the internal storage of the phone. So just go down here and open these files. Alright, there's your storage card. So here's the Bootstrap app, and you'll download that from the link below this video. So I'm just going to drag this right over here and copy it, just like that. So I already had one in place, that's why I'm getting this message. But yours will just copy right over, just like that. Bionic Bootstrap. Okay? Then close that window. When you're closing out your storage drive, go down here to disconnect it, and give it just a second. And then eject that storage disk, your storage card in your Bionic. Now that we've transferred that to our storage card, and we've gone into our settings to enable unknown sources, open it up with your file browser, and you'll see right here, Bionic Bootstrap. We want to go ahead and install that. Should take just a second. Application installed, and select to open it. So what you do here is just tap Bootstrap Recovery. You'll get a super user message. You have to be rooted to be able to do this. So we're going to allow that. Success. Hit OK, and we'll reboot recovery. Now your phone's going to turn off, and it'll look like it's going to start up normally, but it'll go into a special menu, and it's the special recovery menu that we want. We're going to go ahead and do our backup in there. So this does not back up your storage card, but it puts the backup file onto your storage card. So you'll need to back up your storage card separately. So here's the ClockworkMod Recovery menu. Alright, you use your volume up and down keys to scroll. Apply update, that applies an update.zip from the storage card, like a software upgrade. Wiping the data factory reset, that will clear out your phone. So you will lose pretty much everything. You'll be back to a fresh start if you do that. Install a zip. We'll get to that in another tutorial. Mounts and storage, don't really mess with that unless you have specific instructions, because you can really screw some things up in there. But what we're going to do is do a backup and restore, and hit the power button to select it. So we're going to hit the power button again to back up. And this will give us a complete system backup file. Alright, and we're still going here, backing up system, backing up data. Okay, our backup is complete. So now that our backup is complete, we're back to the same menu. Let's say your phone won't boot up, but you can get into recovery. What you're going to go down here and do, back up and restore, and select that with the power button. Select restore, and I'm going to unhighlight it just so you can read it, but the one with today's date, September 20th, 2011, that is the complete system backup. So if you can get into this menu and you can hit that backup, you'll hit the power button to restore it, just like that, and then go down here and hit power button again to restore. And that will completely set you back to this working backup that you created. So in some future videos, I'm going to show you how to use this same recovery menu to install some updates and make changes to the software. We can customize things on the toolbar, which I'm going to show you next, how to do a battery percentage mod. I don't know about you, but I hate just seeing that little battery just drop and drop and drop, and I don't know when it's getting close to the bottom until you get that error message on your phone and it's too late to find a charger. We're going to show you how to do some different things with this recovery menu, and it's pretty cool stuff. So that's it, guys. I hope this helps you to make a backup of your phone and prevents you from losing any data, and maybe it'll be able to restore you if you ever get things a little too screwy from the tweaks you put on there. Take care and subscribe to Tweak My Device on YouTube.